Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your HyperX headset to your phone. First, let's talk about Bluetooth connection, which is used by most modern wireless HyperX headsets like Cloud Mix, Cloud Alpha Wireless, or Cloud 3S Wireless. Start by putting your headset into pairing mode. For Cloud Mix or Cloud Alpha Wireless, make sure the headset is off. Then press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds until you see the LED light flashing red and blue. For Cloud 3S Wireless, slide the mode switch to Bluetooth, then press and hold the power and multifunction buttons for about 2 to 3 seconds until the LED starts blinking blue quickly. Next, go to your phone and open Settings. Tap on Bluetooth and turn it on. Wait for your headset name to appear in the list, then tap it to connect. Once connected, you can start using your headset. Now let's look at USB dongle connection. Some HyperX headsets like Cloud 2 Wireless or Cloud Flight do not support Bluetooth. These use a 2.4 GHz USB adapter. To connect these, plug the adapter into your phone. Turn on your headset, and it should automatically connect. Your phone will route audio through the headset. Finally, for wired models like Cloud 3S Wired or Cloud Alpha, you can use a direct cable connection. If your phone has a 3.5mm headphone jack, plug the cable directly into your phone. If your phone does not have a headphone jack, you will need an adapter. Thanks for watching.